Let's move on to the question number 121. Here as it is written, read the following statement about the vascular bundle. And now it is simply asking all the correct answer need to be go without. So here we can simply see the first statement in roots, xylem and phloem in a vascular bundle are arrayed in an alternate manner along the different lines. But it is not a correct one. So here we go. Conjoint closed. If the close is there, of course no cambium can close. This is the correct statement. Next is go with in open vascular bundle, cambium is present. Of course, when there is an open vascular bundle, cambium has to present. So here is the correct one. The vascular bundle of dicotyledon stain possesses enlarged protein. Of course, this is the correct too. So, and next I move on. In monocotyledonous root, usually there are more than 6 xylem bundle present, which is certainly called the polyaspirations. So this statement is carried again. So here we can go with this particular answer because as we could see here it is not finding A and thus all of the particular options are finding A, which is not a correct statement. They are asking about the correct one only. So we had moved through the option number 2. And move on to the next question. Here you see which one of the following never occurs during mitotic cell division. That is question number 122. It is going by. So here if I go with what is not and never going to happen during the mitotic cell cycle. So here you see if I talk about the first statement, spindle fiber attached to kinetochore of the chromosome. Of course it is there only, which is quite the part of the centromere basically. Movement of centriole toward opposite pole happens in the anaphase. Here we go. Pairing of homologous chromosome occurs in the meiosis, not in the mitosis. So of course it is the wrong statement. Then coiling and condensation of the chromatid happens, of course, in the profile fibri. So here, since it is asking never, I should go with the option number 3. Here we move on to the next question. This is question number 123. Again I repeat, paper code Q6. Production of the cucumber has increased manifold in recent years. Application of which of the following phytohormone, that is a plant hormone, has resulted in this increased yield as the hormone is known to produce female form. That is the absolute property of the ethylene. So of course, out of these 4 simple one word given statement option, you need to go with that statement option 3, ethylene. If I move on to the question number 124, the flowers are zygomorphic. As we know, zygo means a pair, morphic means forms and feature. So a particular flower which is finding the symmetry as the bilateral, that is called the zygomorphic. So out of the given these all, if I go across, in A it is never happening, it is actinomorphic basically. Here I go with the Gulmohar, yeah, it is finding it. Then if I go with the Cassia, it is also finding it. Datura, it is not finding. Chili, it is again not finding. And since it is asking the correct one, and if we can go across and sort it out, the B and C should be correct. So here the option 2 will be correct. So here is the question number 125. And what they are sincerely concerned and asking about it. Let's see. Identify the correct set of statement. Let's go one by one. Since they are asking correct, the leaflet are modified into pointed hard thorn in citrus and bougainvillea. And if we go with the statement, this is finding the ambiguity. So again the next, axillary birds form slender, that is a thin and long, spirally coiled tendril in cucumber and pumpkin. Of course, it is the correct one. So here we can take a right. Then stem is flattened and fleshy upon shear and modified to perform the function of the leaves. Of course, it is the core answer of it. Then we go with the next. That is rhizophora shows vertically upward growing roots that help to get oxygen for respiration. We know that is called the pneumatophore. It is the correct one. Sub-area, growing stem in grasses and strawberry help in vegetative propagation. You can see this is the statement not only given in the 11th and set as well as the 12th as well. So B, C, D, E are the correct statement. So here we can identify that is the option number 3, which is absolutely the correct one. Let's move on to the next. Here, which of the following is incorrectly matched? Question number 126 we are talking about. So simply, if we go with the incorrect match option, Ectocarpus is of course the alga which is producing the fucoxanthine. Porphyra, it is also producing the oxygen starch. Volvox, it is finding the starch granules. Eulothrix is not finding the mannitol. So of course this should be the correct answer for the particular question. We move on to the next. Which one of the following produces nitrogen fixing produced on the roots of ulnus? You know it is a non-leguminous plant. It is a dicot basically. So if you come across that is rhizobium, no, not at all. Rhodospirillum, no, not at all. Basilicia, not at all. Answer is simply the Frankia. It is of course the NCERT based question. You can find this particular question in the 2 chapters in the nutrition just before to the biology nitrogen fixation portion of area, and same study like the microbes in human welfare, last page of that particular chapter of the class 12 standard. We move on to the next question number 120. Identify the incorrect statement related to pollination. Let's go one by one. Pollination by water is quite rare in the flowering plant. Since it's asking incorrect, the statement is correct. It should not be answered. That line of the answer to the class 12 standard of the chapter. Sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Here I go with another. Pollination by wind is more common among aviary. Of course, it is again the line of the NCERT. Flowers produce foul odor to attract flies and beetles to get pollinated. It is again the correct one. The next, moth and butterfly are the most dominating pollinating agent. No, it is not. That's the reason. Since they are asking the incorrect, our answer should be 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 120. Given below are 2 statements, statement 1 and 2, that we need to identify. The first, these together, the flower which never opens basically, and that reason they have been stated as are invariably autogamous. That means they are finding the self-pollination only. So there is an absolutely correct statement. 𝐂𝐨𝐧𝐭𝐚 means disadvantage as there is no chance of cross pollination, because as I told you, they are finding just a self-pollination. So here, this is again the correct statement, and since they are asking which are the correct statement, our first option would be directly correct because both the statement first and 2 are correct. Let's move on to question number 130. Hydrocolloid carrageenan is obtained from, you know, it is a question which is coming from chapter plant kingdom, again from the absolutely NCERT only. So hydrocolloid carrageenan is basically belonging from the red alga. So let's find it out. Here it is, brown alga, green alga, this would not be the answer. Brown alga, red alga, it would not be the answer. Why? Because here brown alga is also mentioned. Rhodophyceae only, of course, the red alga, that should be a correct answer. And phaeophyceae, the brown alga, so it should not be the answer. So for the question number 130, the statement 3, that is the option 3, is absolutely correct statement.